I got this new 3D printer and the spool holder isn't big enough for these large spools of filament, so I'm going to print a new spool holder for my 3D printer. The spool holder that I printed is this one that I found on Thingiverse that's called Monoprice Maker Select Bigger Spool Holder V2. I took that file from Thingiverse and loaded it into Cura and got it all ready using the low quality settings. I'll put that SD card in that has the data for the new spool holder. That's the one. And I go ahead and click the file I want, and it's going to print it. Using this black Dockwell filament that I bought from jet.com. It's going to match the printer very well. There's where it's at right now. I actually drove to the store in between editing, so it didn't happen that quick. But it is at 47% right now, and it's looking pretty nice for being on the lowest print settings. It's at 63% now, 64% rather. Now it's at 95%. It's finishing up. It's doing the threaded part that the nut will screw onto. At 99% now. It's finishing up. It's closing off the top part so you don't see the cross hatching. It is almost done. So my new spool holder just came off of the printer. It is longer than the other one, and I checked it. It does fit the spools that I was using. I just want to see if this nut will fit the freshly printed spool holder. Well, it seems that the nut goes onto the thread of the new spool holder just fine. My spool goes on there just fine, and it has this little lip right there to make sure the spool doesn't come off. What a good deal. I got myself a new spool holder to replace the short one that came with this Monoprice printer. Now all I want to do is print more stuff.